Hello, and thank you for giving Fred Martin Nissan the opportunity to earn your business. You recently expressed interest in a Nissan Sentra with us, and I just wanted to send you over a quick video of one that we have in stock so that you could see it for yourself. If you have any questions, you can call or text Ashley at 330-714-7621. That's Ashley. The 2020 Nissan Sentra has been completely redesigned with sharp new styling, but some major mechanical upgrades. For instance, it now has a 2.0 liter four-cylinder, which is more powerful than the previous model, but still with extremely good fuel economy, averaging somewhere around 32 miles per gallon. Vehicle also now has four-wheel disc brakes, standard with automatic emergency braking and forward collision warning. Vehicle is also equipped now with four-wheel independent suspension. We're located at 3388 South Arlington Road here in Akron, across the street from Lowe's. We do have late night and weekend hours available for your convenience. So reach out and let us know when you'd like to stop by and take a test drive. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We're looking forward to helping you make an informed car buying decision here at Fred Martin Nissan.